What is anthropomorphism? Etymologically speaking, the term anthropomorphism comes from the two Greek words, anthropos, which means human, and morphe, which means form. Hence, anthropomorphism literally means human form. For this reason, anthropomorphism originally means the attribution of human physical or mental features to deities. By the mid-19th century, however, it had acquired the second, broader meaning of a phenomenon occurring not only in religion, but in all areas of human thought and action, including daily life, the arts, and even sciences. Hence, formally defined, anthropomorphism is the attribution of human characteristics or behavior to non-human entities, including animals. Anthropomorphism can also be viewed as the interpretation of non-human things or events in terms of human characteristics, as when one senses malice in a computer or hears human voices in the wind. It is important to note that people in all cultures have attributed human characteristics to deities, often including jealousy, pride, and love. Even deities with an animal form, or with no physical form at all, are thought to understand prayer and other symbolic communication. The earliest known commentator on anthropomorphism, the Greek poet and religious thinker, Xenophanes, circa 560 to 478 BCE, criticized the tendency to conceive of the gods in human terms, and later theologians have sought to reduce anthropomorphism in religion. Most contemporary theologians, however, concede that anthropomorphism cannot be eliminated without eliminating religion itself, because objects of religious devotion must have features to which humans can relate. For example, language, widely considered a human characteristic, must also be present in deities if humans are to pray to them. Non-religious anthropomorphism also appears worldwide. People throughout history have reported seeing human features in landforms, clouds, and trees. Artists everywhere have depicted natural phenomena, such as the sun and moon, as having faces and gender. In literature and graphic art, such depiction often is called personification, especially when the subject is an abstraction, such as death or liberty. Also, anthropomorphism in science is widely criticized but not uncommon. For example, the discoverers of the pulsar first mistook its regular radio signals for messages from space, and Charles Darwin, the English naturalist who devised the theory of evolution, described nature as constantly seeking to improve her creatures.